सेंटरान नोटिफाय केला आमकां आदेशूय दिला 15 years व्हेकल जे आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपा जाय. लँड इज येट टू बी आयडेंटिफायड एंड नोबडी हॅज सो फार कम फॉरवर्ड. वी हॅव asked people to give EOI, expression of interest. Once we publish that EOI, आम्ही पळयतले who is on board and where we can locate them. Starting, for starters, we are going to scrap government run more than 15 years this. Even Kadamba has already been instructed. That's how we have to replace so many buses. We are conscious of that and we are doing it.
Sir, what about the heritage vehicle?
No, heritage vehicle, there is a different law altogether. Vintage car, there is a different law under which means they don't have to be scrapped.
गाड्यांचे स्क्रॅपिंग जातले त्या वाठारांनी प्रदूषण जातले म्हणटा ते सारकें न्ही. वयल्यान रस्त्या वयले पोन्न्यो गाडयो स्क्रॅप जाल्यार खंय प्रदूषण उणें जातलें.
There are measures which are being undertaken to even control the pollution as a consequence of scrapping of the vehicle. Everything is reused and reusable. We have to understand that. Number one. Number two, why scrapping of vehicle is being done? Because the pollution on the road will be less when there are 15-year-old vehicle, 20-year-old vehicle. Pollution चड आसता न्ही. पोल्युशन कमी कसो करतलो. नवी गाडी जाल्यार तितलें पोल्युशन आसना. तेका लागून वी हॅव टू स्क्रॅप द ओल्ड व्हेकल्स एज पर द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट पॉलिसी.